And this is the smart LED strip light that you get from Costco for $25 on sale, 16 foot. Strip light, and but it has Wi-Fi built in. You also get a little remote that can do some of the functions. Oh, it says indoor outdoor. I'm surprised it can do outdoor. Really, I can. I guess it says indoor outdoor. But it comes with a Wi-Fi app from FEIT, and you get the clips, and you get the power bar. What this does is this allows you to connect to the app. You have to push it, and then it blinks, and then you have to have your app Bluetooth in with Wi-Fi. It only uses 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connections, so if you have a 5, it's not going to work. And you can cut the strips off here and make them shorter if you want as well. So let's look at what the remote does. Basically, you could turn it off. This one doesn't have infrared. I think it's using RF or something to mess around with these features. And you could put the white on, lower the intensity of the white, increase the white, change colors. There's a yellow, blue. That will just go for all the colors that change colors. Strobe the colors, and then it changes the color after the strobe. Flash the colors, which is a quicker than a strobe, it looks like. And then fade colors, which I guess if you wait long enough, the color fades and then goes to another color. See, it just went from orange to yellow to whitish to green. Now I'll show you the app. Okay, so this is the FEIT electrical app. I had to use the alternative way to get the app to find the lights. Basically, you make your lights a hotspot and you can connect. I couldn't get it to connect with the original install. There's 2 ways to install this, and I went with the hotspot. So here's the LED strip. You could turn it on and off just from this screen alone. Okay, after tapping that, you get to this one screen. I'm going to select the color here. And it should turn on. Maybe you have to turn it on from this screen. You turn it on from that screen, then if you click it again, it goes to this screen. And then from here you could actually dim it or brighten it. See the lights going dim or bright. Just leave it on bright. And then color, and you could change the colors. It supposedly has 1,000,000 colors, so you could go in different intensities on these screens. I don't know, I'd probably just stay with one color myself. You could set up a schedule on it. I guess you could tell it to schedule color changes and stuff. And you have quick buttons here on the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you have music playing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it changes the color as the music goes. See how it changes the color? Effects. These effects are kind of weak. The patriotic one is only red, pretty much. The Easter one is whitish, maybe sparkly whitish. Halloween is orange. Christmas, I guess you could say, is red. Party is like a whitish, which I don't understand. Party 2, I don't get who came up with these, but Party 2 is almost like Party 1, I guess. And then you could make your own scene, I guess, add a scene. I'm not going to bother with that. But the color thing on this is pretty cool. You can change it like so many different colors. I like that in the app anyway. I'm just not sure how durable this is. It's rubber coated though, and it's got tape on the back. So if you apply it, it's going to stay there forever. It's got this remote, like I said. But basically what it is it tells the app that it's alive. And you could turn it on and off from there, but that's about it with that switch. They give you a pretty decent sized cord. This is about probably 4 feet long, and it works pretty good considering that it's I think this one cost $24.99 at Costco, and it's the FEIT electric.